Good morning, guys. I am sick, so my voice is gonna sound like this, and I haven't actually vlogged in quite a while, maybe over a week-ish, so you may see like a drop in uploads on this channel. Alright, so probably gonna be a little bit of a chattier vlog today, which is funny because like I probably shouldn't be talking. Okay. As usual, you know I have to turn things down. Okay, so what was I saying? I have sick brain. I don't know if that's a thing, but I can't even focus. Yeah, sometimes I have very specific ideas of like how I want my vlogs to look, and I wouldn't call some of them cinematic by any means, but I do try to add really interesting views and clips and transitions and things for you guys, but today's probably going to be one of those like no thrills or frills. My daughter is actually starting a new job today, which is really exciting. Yeah, just because I'm sick, I don't really want to be out that much. I shouldn't be out that much, but I do have to pick up some extra groceries. I filmed, like right before I got sick a couple days ago, I filmed like the clean out organization of my fridge, and I'm still trying to decide what channel that's gonna go on. Anyway, I still realized when I was cleaning, I had already ordered my groceries before I started cleaning it out, and then once I started cleaning it out, I realized, oh, some of my condiments are old and blah blah blah, so I placed another small order at Walmart, so I gotta go pick that up, and I probably should just not go anywhere else, you know, like not get other people sick. So the pickup is just in my car, and I really wanted to go to Dollar Tree. I'm supposed to, I have like set days where I want to go to Dollar Tree, and I know that like whatever I do that day is gonna be a week's worth of my Dollar Tree videos. So if I go like let's say today, then I would make sure I get footage or things for my Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday's Dollar Tree hauls on my main channel, in case you didn't know. I feel like I'm confusing everybody, or just me. But anyway, so enough of this long intro. You're just gonna watch this girl be sick today. Hopefully we'll do some coloring, and that could be relaxing, but I'm really in the mood for coffee. I want something nice and warm, but I don't want anything overly sweet like hot chocolate. It's super cold out. It was actually supposed to snow and ice last night, and then it never did. So at least not in my area. Here's my coffee. I'm obsessed with this Dunkin' Donuts original blend. So yes, girl, yes. Here is my sugar in this Dollar Tree container. And do I want cookies? I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to tell if I have an appetite or not. I don't really know. Alright, while the coffee is going, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of dust. You can kind of see that dust right there, and you can really see it now. So I think maybe we'll do some like, you know, attention to the house, little things that I just don't do when I clean. So we're gonna get this dusted. And the best part about coffee is picking out the mugs. So, what do we got? I feel like most of my mugs are seasonal. Those up there, I need to bring back down and then move Christmas up. So let's just go with something like this. I actually love this mug so much. It's probably my favorite. Now it's time to go pick up the groceries. I tidied up the, I tidied up the upstairs. I vacuumed it. Again, I know I shouldn't be doing that. I should just be in bed. And I will be. When I come back, I think we're gonna relax and we're going to do some coloring. And I wanna also work on my novel. So I think I'll probably film how I'm going to structure some of my chapters. So maybe I'll film that, but I did tidy up the upstairs, which makes me feel so much better. Like honestly, it really does contribute to me relaxing more. So I got that done. It looks great. When I come back, I do want to get on Amazon and shop for a gate, like a baby gate, because I want to section off the game room. I'm just tired of Loxy going in there. She scratches some of the banisters, so I'm gonna have to like repaint that, and she gets hair everywhere. So I need to get on a regimen where I'm brushing her. Please comment and let me know how often you brush your dog or how often you should be brushing your pets. But first, let's turn on the radio. I see my daughter left some trash right there. It's funny because a trash can really is not that far from her car. Oh my god, I just saw the most gorgeous man in my neighborhood. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm getting hot and sweaty. No, I'm actually really getting hot and sweaty. I'm definitely sick. But he was definitely gorgeous. And he like stretched his neck to look at your girl. I don't know why. I'm not looking cute. Maybe he was like, why are you staring at me all rude? But I could not help it. You were a fine specimen. Alright, got my groceries, and now I am going to do some magic. Ta-da! Alright, let's go ahead and take a quick look at what I got. Some chicken tenders, because I did my dinner menu. So I made Alex chicken last night. Tonight's supposed to be burgers and fries, and then I was gonna do fried chicken with rice. I really need to stop making so much fried chicken. I make it like once or twice a month. It seems like a lot more from a vlog perspective, but it's really not that much. But I still feel like even that's too much. I feel like fried chicken for us should be like once every 2 months or something like that, but whatever, to each his own. I usually do nothing on the weekends because my daughter, like, you know, is out with her friends, and I usually like babysit. So it's just kind of like a free-for-all. You just kind of do whatever. Yeah, so Fridays and Saturdays, I don't make dinner, and Sundays I do. And actually, my brother and I, we're gonna start a Sunday dinner thing, but like once a month, and we're gonna be doing that this Sunday, which I completely forgot because I'm bringing the food, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna handle that. But yeah, anyway, back to the haul. So this is for tomorrow's dinner. And then the string cheese is really for my niece. She really likes these. This is my daughter's lunch bread. It is the whole grain, 100% whole wheat. Asparagus. I love peppers. They're like my favorite thing. Prosciutto. I love prosciutto too. It's probably really high in sodium, but I really like it. It's very Italian. These are the makeup wipes that I get, and I get one for myself and I give the other one to my daughter. These are a really delicious snack for me. I love these. This is the condiment that I ran out of. I actually threw out a ton of stuff if you would have seen it. The mustard and relish, but we really only use that during the summertime, so I didn't need to pick that up right now. Some red potatoes. I got more yogurt, so I got more of that. And then I actually like these too. These are like little kids yogurt, but whenever I just need something light to snack on, these are actually really good, and they're really small too, so I like the portions of it. And my daughter loves these, the Yoplait strawberry banana, but I buy them in very little quantity because she's the kind of person where she has to be in the mood for certain things, whereas I could always have yogurt, you know, like I don't have to be in a specific mood for it, but she has to be in a very specific mood for certain types of food, and that's one of them. So I buy very little so that it doesn't go to waste. And then this was really one of the biggest reasons why I added more groceries, because I forgot to get Kleenex because I'm sick, and I ran out just as I was getting sick, and it has hurt to use toilet paper on my nose, so my nose is like just in bad shape. So I'm really excited for these, but I also ordered NyQuil caplets. Is that right? Whatever. I ordered NyQuil pills for the cold and flu, and it was the one thing they didn't have because I didn't click substitution. So now I'm gonna have to go to Walgreens and get that. I got the cheese sticks here, the ranch there, the extra yogurts here, which is, I really like this whole new setup. Again, I filmed my fridge clean out, and I've never quite kept this section like this, so I'm really enjoying it. I mean, usually I've kept the orange juice there. It's just, it didn't make sense before, and I feel like it all makes sense now. But again, those two there, I just kind of placed that there, the prosciutto there, and then the chicken here. This is the Alex chicken I made last night, so I'm probably gonna have some of this for lunch today, even though I don't really have an appetite at all, and I should just be eating chicken soup, which I'll probably do as well. But I love this stuff, and I'm not gonna let it go to waste even if I'm not hungry, so I'll force myself. All right, and I put Loxie up in her kennel before I left. I didn't want her to get into toilet paper. That's her favorite pastime. Here she is. Hi, Mama. She's a good girl. He's a good girl. Baby gate for like right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get on my iPad and see what we can find. So earlier I told you guys that I tidied up this room. As you can see, I vacuumed it. I vacuumed it twice actually. Yeah, so it looks really nice. And I cleaned up this room as well and vacuumed it. It looks really nice also. So I'm really, now I can get in bed and relax. No, come on. Come on, you're not allowed in here.